Hi everybody, my name is Elissa and I'm the head of marketing over at Headliner, and today I'm going to walk you through the latest and greatest update regarding Make My Headliner. So what is the update exactly? Well, we now have included AI image generation within the actual product. So to do that, you'll just log into your Headliner account simply by visiting make.headliner.app and pat on the back to me. I already did that, so we're good to go and get started. So now I'll just head on over to the advanced editor where the update actually takes place. Then I'll pick my aspect ratio. I want to make a YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and click that landscape, confirm. And then to access the AI generated images, there we go. I'll just go over and I'll click this media button, add media, and then it pops up right there. So as soon as I get into images, then you can see right here, create any image you want. And so you can kind of put in a little prompt. I want one for a teaser for our next pod episode. So I'm going to do podcasters editing podcast. And then wait a second. While Make talks to a little LLM, calls it in, starts processing those images. And then here we go. These are our images. So we see that we've got 4 really good different options for podcasters editing their podcast. So I like this one. It's super colorful. So I'll go ahead and add that to the canvas. I'll just keep it at the times it is, 5 seconds long. Looks good to me. Add to video, and there we go. So now I can just kind of start layering in different things. So I'll probably go ahead and put a clip from our latest pod episode on here and get ready to post it. It's super easy. Hope that you guys enjoy this. If you have any more questions, any thoughts, comments, ideas, truly anything related to Headliner or podcasting, just let me know by dropping a comment below.